Hello, this is Mike with SkipperBud's. I'm going to give you a brief walk around of the new 2025 Barletta Aria 22UC Tri-Toon with a Mercury 200 horsepower V6. These boats have a 10-year bow to stern warranty, lifetime from the deck down, and 5 years on the motor. Let's take a second and hop in and go through the interior of the boat. All right, we're inside of the Aria 22-foot Tri-Toon Ultra Lounger, the UC floor plan. And the bow here, we have a lot of seating with hinged storage underneath every single seat up here. You also have your cup holders are recessed. You have your speakers and USB ports for charging your phones and devices are inside the recessed portion of your seats here with JBL sound. In every Barletta, you have your food and water dishes for your pets. A very pet-friendly boat. That's built into every single Barletta. You also have your trash can that's built into the seat, back seat rest over here, so it's not taking up space in the rest of the boat. We'll come over to the premium helm that Barletta offers. You've got your JBL head unit here. You've got your nice gauges with the digital display. You also have your hook, your Lowrance hook. It's a 5-inch GPS, fish finder, water temperature, depth, things like that. Phone holder, USB ports, all of your switches, and your throttle is in the perfect spot right next to you. Every Barletta's got a power bimini, so your power bimini control is right here. Lockable glove box at the bottom here by your ankle. 12-person capacity on this boat. Co-captain's chair with phone holder and all that. See-through doors for the pets, doggy dock view. Also convenient when you're docking the boat, so you can see the dock through there. Armrests on everything. And now let's take a look at the Ultra Lounger. All right, we are in the back of the boat here with the Ultra Lounger. I want to point out the door here to keep the little ones and the kids on the inside of the boat and the pets if needed. You have your nice solid backrest here, so you're comfortable sitting forward and hanging out with the captain and the co-captain and the rest of the family while you're underway. You can also swing this backrest towards the bow, and now you have a bed with a nice, you can lean back, lay back on this, and it's comfortable. Now when you get to the sandbar and you want to get this going, you can lay this backrest all the way down. Now you have a big bed, big sun pad back here. Or if the action's in the front of the boat, you can bring this portion up as well, and now you're laying forwards on the boat. And these are all go up and down with a heavy duty leather strap. Very easy to do. Also important back here, as I walk around, you have your safety chains, so you can sit back here while the boat's underway. When you get to the sandbar, you get to your swimming spot, you can just take these chains down and it opens up the entire back of the boat. And it's like a raft on the water for you. If you have any questions, come see us at SkipperBud's Antioch. We're happy to help.